natural minor into D harmonic minor. We're going to raise the 7th note. That means changing the C to a C sharp. The fingering can stay the same. To turn this into melodic minor, we're also raising the 6th note. Since the 6th note is flat, instead of putting a sharp there, we just take away the flat. That's all we have to do. Turn it into a B natural instead of a B flat. And then when you play coming down the melodic scale, you play the natural version of the scale going down. To play the primary chord progression, we use the harmonic version of our scale. So we have our B flat again. We still keep that C sharp though. So these are the notes you use for your primary chords.